Kidkot ke ground and pound gym Meghalaya po kajinela mo pa coverful marngar present ground and pound gym henen kasi ke strik nailur kilalit bin priang BUROM milau para dukat SAMLA DANIAL DAMLONG badai urangi kura MMA kejela bad yau coach jong uba koras merweng hadien ba SAMLA DANIAL DAMLONG la job akan lumpungi la kaya kura kabla tip kum ka Matrix fight night ke bakhatsan kabla long Hanoida kabla penyait ka Aisyah Sharaf bad ka Krishna Sharaf SAMLA DANIAL DAMLONG la job akan lumpung ha ka middleweight kategori hadin bau lala ban perlimno yu akil agrawal naka jela Maharashtra da ka technical knockout.
MMA.
I mean, both these fighters. Daniel DAMLONG comes in with a fantastic record, 20-0, and he's making his way to the big stage. And the way he moves, Jason, this kid already has an air of maturity about him. The way he fights is so strategic. He's got a technical style, whereas you can see Akil Agrawal is a bit of a wild man. He's going to swing for the fences.
Oh, he's connecting. He is connecting right onto Daniel's chin.
DAMLONG has a nice straight left. Thing to notice is DAMLONG is switching stances between southpaw and orthodox with bases to attack.
Oh! These guys are here for a quick finish. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Matrix Fight 915. This is bout number 4.
DAMLONG in the green trunks and Akil in the white trunks. This is going to be a slugfest. I don't see a lot of technical striking here tonight.
Well, we get to see a lot of striking.
Straight to the ground.
Great takedown by DAMLONG.
But DAMLONG doesn't have control here in this position. Akil looking at his turning to him.
Akil's going to turn. He can turn into him and get out of his position, which is great. That's exactly what he's doing, back on his feet.
DAMLONG steps up again. I think he's bleeding from his nose as some of the shots come away. Those wild shots that busted him up.
Akil's wild punches have definitely paid off for his advantage. He's hurt DAMLONG, but if DAMLONG can get his composure, get the fight on the ground like he's doing now, get control back of the fight, he will dominate this fight against Akil's wild style.
He's going to watch out for those knees from this position. Knees to the body are allowed, but knees to a downed opponent.
Let's go for the fence.
Referee Mark Goddard admonishes Akil. And you know what this is going to do? It's going to take the energy out of Akil. He's going to get tired.
Well, this is in favor of Daniel because he's fighting in his corner. And we've got his coach. Oh, giving him a lot of instructions. Oh, man.
Akil had a huge dump of testosterone and going into the beginning. Huge shot, but good position. Controlling the fight. He's got the top position here, he's got the back.
Because
he's got a good choke on the neck.
I think that's off. He's looking for the palm to palm. He's let go of it right now. He's got his right hand underneath the neck. He's got his right hand underneath the neck. If he could get a better angle to see from where.
Akil's flattened out. He needs to get back on his to his knees. He can't stay flattened out like that.
Oh, I think he's
got
got
to do some kind of defense with his hands. He's not really defending the choke at all from this position.
Now, DAMLONG doing a good job of holding that back mount, and he can look to land some strikes here and open him up and pepper him a little bit and drop those hands and flatten him out.
Yeah, there's still a lot of time remaining in this round. Akil may have lost a lot of energy.
Yeah, this fight, I doubt this fight is going into the second round.
Not going to the distance for sure.
If we can get Akil back into a dominant position, we may have a chance for this fight to go his way. But right now, DAMLONG is doing a very good job.
It's going to be over anytime now because DAMLONG is landing strike after strike. And Akil, and he's done it.
By TKO, the Dream, Daniel DAMLONG.
Mình có mình ai cái gì cũng lấy mất là ví dụ mà anh cùng này cùng bao nhiêu mà ta các bạn nhiều yang bạn quay này cả có airport và cái gì mà pedang BUROM ini pak Daniel DAMLONG kan buat isap Kores pada puj mo kay kuma pitim ba kajing job yung kajing job yung kajelah gibrok away nomor ba hoy hajiskan beladap ini adon di nak lek kai lani kita gi MMA fighter mo napo kajim ground ampau na legit buat ini mereka lama ke mentaruh ada nak yo ban sai away pat orang lek kai orang ikura mo ba ba kalau yo ban job yang kan kai MFN ke Bakhasan ke Batulong ko Noida indoor stadium hang này don lang di Mbak Lansius pada ini ada besar jom ke gym nangka iba malam iba ada MMA fighter kunjur tak di balu dari vice president ke gem saya ngidap tak kajing sukuman pakau bang yo ban kajing ra jong iya kanam ban job hang ka dilek kai paksan jong kaneka MFN te nak liang jong kajing so ai kajing kublai ni kong blai trai kerat lo bola ai kimet kapat ni na rupa mi majim nang tam do na rupa praktis hadu pendakoi ha ko jaka ba isa kat jaka ba ki brain nang tak hadu ba yo pandai kai ban jo ras no dia kanam job te iso ban ai kublai sibun yaki tu ki bala ya rapo hataban ya don mentalang na training partner pat kunjur atat itu tiba lai don mentaban ni rapi ha ko kajem tak khantam ai sabora sebagai mentor mo la no no way bala komprat unti pat kunjur atat ini kinokit ka mahkamah jong kajem kunjur atat baru member jong kajem te ni air ka display ya kibahi usamo ba khantam tum di batu dadial di bala wara ya kanam ladu jong kaneka lumpung hapo ka MFN kebaksan hapo jong indoor stadium po Noida tang katahi nak lihat jungan sumen yawer ya kipara nong sonong jong kajela baru ko ba kin ai ka jingkersan boy isusu ba kum kaneka sport combat sport mo le saya sport jelai jungi kadang kham duna ba kinong kersan ten rai long ngej kam balong ba ka jinyo kurnam job jong i bat iwe ki bala ya kurnam job dengan ba kan sawara ya teban ai ketika dia kemuan ban ai kersan ya gini kai ba combat sport in way na tinggal kai ba ya kai ban man tak bon man mardok tak tai ke sibun
de ngalu mentara jamiat ngasu pau ju sungu yo ble nunggu nong tau bola don lang kat adu ski bakilai adu mentara ni nak kaliang jongi ba Daniel Damlong berkunjung iba pres dari coach jongka gawan paun MMA gym nongko de ni mentara si yo shao kita lengkat lang mentara si hani apa buat di airport bangi wan ban masau iki bakidang wan mentara apa Noida na tadi kali ko fai kaba menen kasi kila long ko nova Delhi ko Noida kali ka matrix by night MFN kali ka ba Hasan de hadian asnam ba way na gi nong show fighter na po ka ju ka gym ka jongi badi na po ka ground pound badi Anthony CM ba hat sport kila ya pernah fight ba mai lawan kali ka fight ka ba season ka ba pasan ban real sport sementara kali ka ba Hasan di saya sisian pak hadian asnam layu biang pansai banyo banra ikanam lado hangki hakani ka fight di sisa ka dong kita dari sing sukuman ba nak kalian ka gym jungi layu pansai angut ki fighter ki baponam ang ni po kacela jungi tinggi penpau bangi kitbox yai ba Daniel Damlong ba idang la susu bandang le kai ba bangi kitbox i ba idang poi nak kawi ka po suwi ka po bangi kerman ba hakawi kasni isalong iwi di fighter i baponam aga jela ka jungi bat kali India hi berhoi bat nga air ka jing play ka jing kitbox nak kalian jung coach jungi ba plus mawen i bala sim kiamo aba niyo i ba man kasi nim judun ka jing practice ka jung ki ka long lai sau konta man kasi de sisa ka jing sim kia ka jung ki ka pelong ba yai ba Daniel ban yo kata ka nam job ta kasi dengan ai play i paro kita member badan lang ta ka chamiet ba wan lang ladu i president i vice president ba kuju i lam ko doi badi fighter i ba lai sim ta miswa de ngakit bok ban ai play piwe ba ngakerman ba kisni ban wan badu ba tidang la ban le ha susu bat kani kali ka jing sedang ka cupi bat nikelman ba hakiwi ki por ngina sei di hakiwi pati tournament ki ba kampau aga jela aga India ba coba juga India kita kini tin dashboard